Hi, I'm into boom, and this is the sound, sound perception kind of thing. It's a dial.gg. Previously, I played the color game, and now I'm going to play the sound game. Most people think they have a good ear. Some people are wrong. We play you 5 tones, then we'll recreate them from memory. I think I'm going to lose this. Ready, set, go. Okay, I didn't listen to any sound. It was low frequency. That's what I can say. Don't worry, practice apps. I'm not tone deaf, man. Ready, set, go. It was 5:38. Ah, I'm bad at sounds, I guess. I'm bad at sounds. What the heck was that? I can go as low as 80. It's the limit, human limit, I guess. And high as 1001. It was 188. I'm way too off. I'm not even close. What's wrong with me? Yeah, wow. How low was it? It was freaking high. See, I'm gonna do the opposite. I'm gonna go for the hard mode. The easy mode is kind of hard. So hard mode is gonna be pretty hard. Right, high, 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 low, low, low. What's this? Damn. High pitch. Not like that. It was kind of like mosquito, similar to mosquito, but it was not the mosquito kind of thing. But kind of insect, but it was high pitch, I guess. But again, once again, I'm way too off. Set, go. Oh my god. I guess I'm not making it. Every sound makes the same fucking noise. Wow. Accidents. And yet it makes fun of it. Hard is hard. I think I'm not so good at this time. Like 400, 400, 400, almost. It was 220. Yeah, almost. Yeah, kind of good, but not that good because I don't know the difference. Boom, like the shift slots. Hmm, not bad. This is too high. Almost had that. Almost had that. This one's slow, so it might be 300. I said so. I'm getting good. I'm getting good. So see that I can be this. Yep. Yep. Say 800. I knew that it was. I knew that it was too high, but I thought I would forget the sound. So 400. It was 366. Close enough. Close enough. I decided to go. 700. Almost. Almost. 500. It was 500. Well, is this recording? It is recording. Mm, 800. I can't. I really can't, man. Wow. Wow. Closing your eyes really helps. Wow, that was great. Yep. You need to close your eyes in order to get that. Damn. Damn, that's crazy. Okay, let me try on everything. Yeah. This one's high pitch. I know that. Yeah, this was bad. This one was bad. This one goes hard. Hmm, must be close enough, man. Wow, wow. Closing your eyes really works, man. Man, that's so great. It was 489. Yeah, I knew it. That was kind of, but yeah, I was speeding. I need to get control. Knew it. Knew it. Fucking knew it. I freaking know it. Too high. Hmm, close enough. 17 points. I think I can make more. That's 25 points. I'm gonna beat this until I make 25 points. Yeah. I need to make 25 points. 25. 25. I'm gonna beat this. For real. I need to beat this. By closing my eyes. Close enough, close enough, close enough, close. Yeah, right. Oh, this one sounds kind of like shape. It has. Whoop. Sound points. Sound points. Sound hurts. Yeah. 245. Damn it. Yeah, that's close enough. Close enough. Yeah, 21 points, baby. I think I can make 25. Almost making it, but I really can't. I think I really can't remember the song. Yeah, I almost made that. I really can't remember my. Ooh. Yeah, I almost had that. Damn. Yes, that too. Ah, bullshit, man. What can I even do, man? Hmm. I'm not getting a match. And the sound that I'm storing in my memory, it's kind of getting distorted, and I can't remember the sound anymore because I'm listening to this sound, and it's making me confuse the sound that I stored in my mind, and I can't remember the sound anymore. That's why I'm bad at this game. I might be good at the color game, but I'm not good at the sound one. What? I completely forgot the sound. For real. For real. I completely forgot. I not a taste left. I'm gonna vlog this. It was 200, dude. Ah, and I made more than 25. Cool. I made it. I made it. I wanted to make 20, more than 25 points, and I have made it. And look at my score, 83k. Not bad, really. And that's it, I guess. Maybe some other time I might play this. Might be to test my hearing skill again, to check that I'm not deaf anymore. Maybe it's because of my this freaking headphone that I'm wearing. Who knows? Until then, until the new video, or until something. Boom!